welcome back to my channel. I'm Ria Jose and this is Diyosa Life TV, and today I'm trying a new type of content. I actually got this idea from a TikTok comment. So if you want to see my very first phone tour, keep on watching. I'm actually quite nervous today because I removed the jelly case of my phone, but let's proceed. As I've already mentioned, this is the first time ever that I'm gonna do a phone tour. I've never done this before, although I think I've watched similar content from some of my friends, but it's the first time I'm gonna do it. I'm doing this because somebody left a comment on my unboxing on TikTok and they suggested a phone tour, so here I am. I think this is gonna be very brief because I'm just gonna show you how it looks like and my favorite apps on this phone. This is how the phone looks like. This is Stargaze White. It's super pretty. It has a very nice 3D effect, so I super love it. And it has 3 cameras, 108MP triple AI camera. I've been using this camera for some food photos, because that's most of the photos that I'm taking, and also for selfies, and then for some TikTok videos as well. Before I proceed with the phone tour, I would like to insert a few TikTok videos that I already made with this phone. Okay, now that you've seen some of the stuff that I took with the camera of this phone, now let's go to the actual phone tour. This is my wallpaper. It's actually a shiny wallpaper. I got it from Twitter user ShineOn5. This is my ultimate favorite K-pop group. I actually have more apps over here, but these are the ones that I want to focus on. Of course, I have all the Google apps that I use. There are also some there that I don't often use, but I keep them because I use them from time to time. And of course, I use this for calls, which is very rare because this is not my primary phone. Today, it doesn't have a SIM card actually. And then of course for messaging. And then the app market is there, the Google Assistant is there, the Play Store is there, the YT or the YouTube Studio is there because I do YouTube content, and then of course YouTube is also there. I'm not gonna explain to you all the Google apps that I have here because I'm gonna save that for some other time. The top 3 that I use are Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Calendar. So I'm gonna explain all the other Google apps in some other video or some other content. These are what's on the first page. And then at the bottom, which are always there, are most used apps. Number 1, I have Instagram over there. I have Instagram and Facebook. To be honest with you, the social media that I most use nowadays are Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube. However, I keep Instagram and Facebook there. Most of my daily work stuff are posted on Instagram and Facebook. I also do a lot of monitoring on these 2 social media platforms. And then of course, I have Google Chrome over here because I do browse the net and read newspaper sites and other sites on this phone. And then of course the camera is there and the gallery. And then over here are the more interesting apps. Of course we have the settings and the clock. Those 2 are, I think, given. Everybody uses those apps and everybody knows what those apps are for. And then I have Giga Life because sometimes I insert a SIM here. So Giga Life is the app for Smart and TNT subscribers where we can monitor our load, get our rewards, vouchers, and other stuff. And then I have here REALME link, which is a must-have, I think, for people like me who use REALME phones and REALME Tech Life gadgets. Okay, and then I have Lightroom. I use Lightroom for editing photos. I have a lot of content. Most of the photos that I take with this phone are auto-synced to upload to Lightroom. I currently have 111,764 photos stored in my Lightroom or Adobe Cloud. So these photos, almost everything from my 3 phones and from my laptop, from my cameras, these are all synced and uploaded to Lightroom. Again, I plan to do another video content dedicated to Lightroom and why I'm subscribed to Lightroom. I'm gonna explain that in some other video. Let me know if you're interested in that one. And then, of course, I have Twitter, which is my most often used social media platform right now. And then, of course, Messenger for keeping in touch with a lot of people. I have Maya, which is now an all-in-one finance app, I believe. I actually have a Maya savings account there also. And because, of course, you can't have money and not spend it, so I have the Shopee PH app over here. And then I only have one game that I play in this phone, which is the mobile game that I play almost every day, Mobile Legends Philippines. The season just ended and I'm so happy because I got Legend before the season ended. Next to YouTube, the most often streaming or entertainment app that I use is Spotify. I listen to my Spotify playlists almost every day. The last playlist that I played was actually On You's Guys album. That has been my phone and the apps that I've been using. All of these apps are running so well on this phone. The last thing that I want to share from this phone is my lock screen. This is my lock screen. It's the Sanrio characters of NCT. NCT is my second favorite K-pop group. That has been my very brief phone tour of the REALME 9. And thank you very much, Baby Bear. If I'm not mistaken, thank you very much for suggesting this content. I enjoyed making this content for you guys. If you want to know more about the REALME 9 and other REALME Tech Life gadgets, please visit my blog, Technomaria.com. And connect with me on social media. My Facebook page is Ria Jose Davao, and my video content on Facebook is at the Diyosa Life page. I'm on Twitter, Ria Jose, on Instagram, Ria Jose Davao, and on TikTok, Ria Jose Davao. And if you want to play Mobile Legends with me, please add me, Twin Polar. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about the REALME 9 and other REALME Tech Life gadgets, please leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on the notification bell button if you want to be updated if I have new content uploaded to this channel. Marami pong salamat. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day everyone. See you on the next video. Paalam. Bye.